How are you? Today we've got this HP Pocket printer. It's our first time with one of these, so we're eager to see how it's supposed to work and if we can fix it up. Now, I've been after something like this for a while, but a brand new one costs about £100 and a used one goes for around £50. But this one, it only set me back £11, which is much more in my price range. The eBay seller reckoned it isn't turning on, and they weren't wrong. The charging light aren't coming on, and when we tested it with a USB, it isn't drawing any power from the charger. Time to take a closer look. We've got some blank paper and this blue sheet with barcodes on one side. That's all well and good, but I've got no clue what the blue paper's for. I can't see any damage at first sight, and the charging port looks alright as well. I think we should check the battery. If the battery has 0 voltage, that's mean it's faulty and we have to replace it. Unfortunately, the battery adds another £20 to the total cost. On the bright side, once it's in, it should work like a charm. Hopefully. Alright, it's powering up. Now let's see if we can connect to it and get it printing. After a bit of perusing the manual, we sussed out that the blue paper goes in first, face down. The printer reads the barcode to figure out what kind of paper it's dealing with. All in all, it set me back £31, which seems fair. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe drop us a comment. Catch you later.
If you need assistance with a repair or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via email at info@southlondonrepair.co.uk. We're here to help.